Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the error 38, which is water tank. If you tap enter here, you can see check the clean water tank, the placement or something like that. Even if you tap resolved, it will show the error. And how to resolve that? The first thing that may be here and maybe the error is that you don't have any water inside. So let me show you this. Here, as you can see, I do have my box of water, without water actually. And now you need to open that and fill just the tank with the water. This is here with the clean water, with this icon. And we need to just fill this with water. If you still have this error even after doing so, you need to verify the placement, clean it for debris, and search for debris. If you have any debris inside in the dock, like where you put the water tank, you need to just clean it because it may be bad for the positioning. And that should be it. Have a nice day and goodbye.